I just need to know which way to go. Like
no, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna go get you a
uprights.
tool, some straps.
What kind of car is this?
That's Tatum.
And now we got to get him back to camp, so this should be exciting. Lucky for Mr. Heen, he's not the only one that's broken a front spindle. A few years back, the monster broke a front spindle when we were in Mexico playing around. So we know exactly what to do to get his car back to camp. The unfortunate part is we don't have any straps with us. So one of the members of our group did scavenge hunt and found a broken strap out in the dunes, and we did our best to strap his car down with that. However, it was just a 1-inch strap and it didn't hold. It broke about 50 yards into the trip. So now we have no choice but to load up, head back to camp, and get some real straps. Unfortunately for me, I left my wing trunk unlocked. However, I got lucky and I don't believe anything fell out.
We had a jerry rigged up from here, made it about 50 yards. Strap that we had broke, had to go back to camp, get some more equipment. Now we're back, we'll keep it soon. But wait, you're not Doug's X5.
Do we need to go a couple? Do we need to go a couple times?
Can you just go back up to the other hook?
Or go back up to the
Oh
other
yeah,
hook?
we can do that, huh?
Nice. Need more strap. Right now they're trying to compress that rear spring to get this one leveled out, and then we'll work on this front one.
I think so.
Okay,
I don't think it's gonna muck nothing up.
Coming up over here.
Everybody. Keep going, baby. Crank that sucker. It's still flat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, keep the bottom it out.
I'm helping a little bit.
So now I'm the one being tasked to lead him all the way back to camp. Pressure's on me to find him the smoothest way home from the Granite Mountain Hot Shot Memorial. made it back to camp, and you know, this sucks because it's the beginning of the New Year weekend. But anyway, amazing job driving back and making it back on 3 wheels, Mr. Heen.
I'd like to thank Doug and the crew. Without you guys, I wouldn't made it back.
All right, so tell me a little bit about, you know, how did the car handle on 3 wheels? Was it better? Was it better than expected?
Yes, and you shouldn't put the word handle in there. It doesn't handle.
Okay, all right. All right. So the other question I have real quick is, when this originally happened and you saw the wheel fly off, what were your immediate thoughts as far as, did you think
I thought I saw the wheel went that way, and I turned, I was like, uh-oh. Then I looked down and it went.
And then when that happened, what did you think about as far as how am I going to get this car back to camp?
Yeah, that was my first thought. I go, oh man, it's going to be out here for a while.
All right, so were you surprised how easy it was?
I wouldn't know how. Thank God.
All right.
Thank you.
So what you have to do in this situation, if it ever happens to you, is make sure you carry some cargo straps. Yeah. You let the nitrogen out of the right rear, you get a bunch of help, you compress it as hard as you can, that's going to pull the left front up, and then you also let the nitrogen out of the driver's side that broke and compress that shock.
Yeah.
And then you are on your way back to camp.
Yeah. Doug,
anyway, first one, we're out.